Hello, I'm Jonathan from PTFS Europe, and what's on my mind this week is metadata lookup for interlibrary loan requests. So I'm sure many of you use the interlibrary loans module, and you're probably familiar with the free-form backend in order to create interlibrary loan requests. Well, you can speed up the data input by using DOIs and a service I'm certain many of you are very familiar with, and that's a service called Crossref. Which has been around for 20 years or more, I think, and it has a vast index of metadata to allow you to input a DOI. I've got one here, and look up the metadata and find all the metadata for an article in this case. Now we could apply this to Koha in both the staff interface and the public interface, the online catalog. And if you go to our GitHub repository, you'll see that there is an IL Crossref lookup JavaScript snippet. It's quite short. It's just 142 lines, and it's very simple to use. You just literally cut and paste it from the beginning comment tag to the end comment tag. Go across to your OPAC user.js system preference, and then just paste it in there. It's as simple as that. And once you've done that, you could take your DOI, and I've got one here that I prepared earlier. And if I first of all go into my OPAC account and go and place an interlibrary loan request. Now this works currently with both free-form backend and also the backend, the Rapid ILL backend, if anybody's using that as well. It works in both. So I'm just going to look for a journal article, and you'll see this template has a DOI field. So if I just paste the DOI in there, you can see it's automatically filled out the rest of the metadata for me. So it makes for both really simple input and really accurate input as well. We can also use exactly the same in intranet user.js. So I think it's already been input in here. Yes, there we go at the bottom. So if we just go to our interlibrary loan requests, and we're now in the staff client. If I again just do a free form request, an article lookup, again use that DOI, and it's just filled out the form for me. So it's a useful little tip. It massively speeds up the input of interlibrary loan requests and also the accuracy of it as well. So it's available from our GitHub repository. So the URL is there. Feel free to use it and speed up your interlibrary loan request input. Thank you very much. Speak to you next time.